Good morning children, back to the class. So dear children, in a previous class we have seen English 2nd, The Hitchhiker. How they both have finally reached their destination and they finally opened up to each other. And all we have seen how he has expressed about his skills. Instead of telling that he is a thief, he has told that he is a fingersmith. And how well he is, how well he can escape the things, and he has in that also he has told that I never touch the poor and the needy people, those who have a lot of money, those who are wasting the money from them only I take out, just like that he has said. So that is the story, very beautiful story we had. So today story after little more poetry is needed, isn't it? So the poetry level also we have to see. Today, like I told you, we are going to see one poem that is about the North Ship. What is that? The North Ship, written by Philip. Who has written? So Philip has Philip Larkin. So Philip Larkin has written this poem. He was born in 1992. Then he was still then 1992 he started his journey and he was there in 1985. So by the time we all have not born only. So that time he started his poetry. And he was very English poet and very different novelist, we can say, very popular and respected. Everyone used to respect him and he became very popular among the all. And English poet he is. The way he writes, his planning of structure of writing, the way style of writing, everything is very different. So that's why he was respected all over. Then when we come about today's our poem, so this poem, The North Ship, this poem has a very interest and it has the special attention. Means the question will be left at the end. That is the beginning. The poem is bit like the beginning. Means starting when we see it is the poem, the story has started, but contains strong images. When it goes back, then it so many questions it raises in the reader mind. So when we read this one also, we also will have so many questions in our mind. I also, when I say what happened, so what is the reason, that exactly the poem fully not explained, means he has given a choice like a readers. The readers has a lot of questions after reading the poem. So now let us go to the poem. So here the poem first there, come to the Philip Larkin, 152. I saw 3 ships go sailing by. So the 3 ships are nicely, they are moving on over the sea, the lifting sea. Over the sea, the lifting means on the top of the sea and a lifting sea. The waves will be up and down. So he has written there the waves instead of telling on the lake. So he told on lifting sea, means the sea is just lifting and going. And the wind rose in the morning sky. So the wind is rising like a morning sky, from the morning sky. And one was rigged for a long journey. One was rigged for a long journey. Rigged means what do you can say? RIGGED. So FITT, fitted, or fitted we can say, or you can say equal. With the rings you can say. bridging. So we can see this is the sails or ropes, etc. That sail will be the ropes will be there, that it will come. Long journey. So everybody, the ropes, everything is tied and kept to go for the long journey. How many ships are there? 3 ships. The 3 ships are ready to just move. The first ship. First we will see the first ship turned towards the west. First ship which side went? It went towards the west side. Over the sea, the running sea. So west side, how the sea is there? Waves are very fast. So that's why the writer has described here. Over the sea, the running sea. The water, the waves are running very fast. So he said running sea. And by the wind was all possessed. So possessed means what we can means imprisonment. Imprisonment means not that much, or we can say by the wind was all imprisonment. So just it is there. The next one, and carried to their rich country. So this side the west side the ship went near the rich city. So rich country, the rich countryside has gone. That is the first one. Happily it went to the rich country. The second ship turned towards the east. The second ship where it went? It went to the east side. Over the sea and quaking sea. Quaking means shaking, we can say, like a shaking wave. Maybe that side too much problem is there. And the wind hunted it like a beast. Means like a cruel type. Very big, very strong wind is coming and shaking here and there. So that's why the author has told the over the sea and the quaking sea means shaking too much disturbance is there. So somehow it went to the east side where it went to anchor in a captivity. So captivity means what we can say? Captivity means imprisonment. And before that proceed, I told you. Proceed means completely controlled by an evil spirit. So here proceeding means what is that one? Completely an evil spirit means completely controlled by an evil spirit. The first ship went such a way as if somebody is calling, somebody is attracting. That is the way it is going. Then capacity means what is here? Imprisonment. Imprisonment means what? Somebody has locked, somebody has taken under them. So in that way they have described here. So hunted means the wind is how it is very cruel, means very dangerous wind is there. So that is a very dangerous cruel and it is shaking. The ship is like a shaking way, it has gone to the east side. The next third one we see. Third one how it went. The third ship drove towards the north. Which side went? North side. 3 sides it has gone. One is west, east. The next one is north. So 3 sides the ships has gone in a different. The north sea what it went? What happened? Over the sea and the darkening sea. So that north side everything is very dark, very cannot see anything, like that it is. But no wind came forth. So here and there no wind at all. Forth means what? Outward and away from the strange point. Means the strange point it has gone. Here and there they cannot see anything where they are going. Like this just they were going. Then and they shown a postal. So means very cool that side where they went. It was very cool and it was just coldly and easy. So unfriendly way. So it is very different way they have gone. Unfriendly also we can say. Coastal means unfriendly way. So this is the way 3 ships went in a 3 different areas. So first one has gone with as if some evil spirit is attracting like this. It went and it reached the rich country. And other one went to the east side. That was somebody has captured. Means somebody has taken that. Means that side. under them. It was, and north side ship went somewhere else, and that side very dark, and where it went, how it went, nobody knows. The northern sky rose high and black. So northern sky rose high and black. So what happened? North side everything it became very, sky is very high, I mean it's cloudy or very dark black in color like that. Over the proud unfruitful sea. So unfruitful means what? Nothing gives the, means no, not producing food or a helpless result. So northern side how would you say? Helpless result is there. Nothing we can see what had happened, where the ship went, what happened, nothing we can see. But no east and west of the ships came back happily or unhappily. But where it went, the west side and east side, both the ships has come back. One came happily and other one came unhappily. So because other one was captured by others, and this one has go, west one has went to the rich country. So happily or unhappily, the west and east ships has come back. But the third went wide and far. So the third ship, north side, which one went? It went wide and far. It went just like that, into an unforgiving sea. Into where it went? Unforgiving sea. Means not even we can say that where it is. Unforgiving means we cannot forgive like that. So like that inside it went. Under a fire spilling stars. Fire spilling stars, this is a possibly of a poetic, describes now a concept. So what happened? Just it went to the unspilling star. Like a on the sky we see different stars, where it came, how it came. So like this only it went just like a star, we are remembering. The like that way it has disappeared just like that. And it was the race for a long journey. So it was the race, means just it went for the roads and it went for the long journey, we can feel that. But where went, what happened to this northern ship? Then why it has not come back? What is the reason? Anything happened there, or anything they died, or they reached to any other country? Nothing we know here. After reaching there, maybe they did not come, or on the way they passed away. Nothing. But here the poet is telling means different directions. What are the directions we are going? How we are moving? Means here the poet is telling that the two ships are happily, some came unhappily. But the third one has no any other option, we don't know, and what happened we don't know. So this is the way he has ended the poem. So that's why he told when then some raises the questions, and I also have the question, you also have, those who read they have the questioning on, means we have to imagine by ourselves what might have happened, means why that what is the reason the ship has not come from north side and all. So dear children, this is the poem about the north ship. I hope you have enjoyed the poem, understood. Please read the poem and complete your copies, and this picture also you have to draw in your copy. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you all.